I thought I would share my take on Thanksgiving tablescapes with you today, because I love to see other people's ideas and get some inspiration for my own table. So I thought I might share with you the things I'm using and maybe spark your imagination and give you some ideas for your table setting. I'm going to be using some family china for our table setting because my mother-in-law is going to be joining us, and this was her parents' set, and so it's very special and she doesn't get to see it very often, and so I wanted to use it on our table this year. It's really pretty. It's very simple. It's white and it's rimmed with gold, and it has this really beautiful stylized blue flower motif, which it's kind of reminds me of an Art Deco look. So this is going to be the inspiration for our table, and I wanted to keep it kind of more neutral and not really bring in oranges, so it's just going to be kind of a nature inspired table. And I've hosted a lot of meals over the years, so I've collected a lot of table decor that I keep and store, but it's nice because then I can just kind of mix and match and pull out different things and make the table look a little bit different each year, which I like to do just to kind of keep it interesting. But this year I challenged myself. I was wanting to go to the thrift store and pick up just a few things, but I didn't want to spend more than $20. I thought, okay, let's see what we can find for $20 or less to kind of add some new things to the table. So I'll show you what I found. I found some treasures. I found this cute acorn. It was like $2.50. It's really pretty, kind of has a little bit of gold on it. This vintage quail, which I thought would be fun, and I'm going to actually use, I dug in my box and found a spring nest that I'm just going to set him on, so we'll use that. I found this really cool bowl for $3.99, and it was 25% off. It's beautiful. I see these bowls sometimes, but they're usually round, and this one had such an interesting edge to it, so I was excited about that. This I actually got, I'm going to use, I think, on our entryway table. It's just plastic. I think it was red at one time, and you can tell somebody, because I saw little spots of red peeking through, but someone painted it gold. But I thought this was a really interesting shape. And the last things I found were these really pretty wood candlesticks. This one was $2.50 and this one was $1.99. So I think by the time I got, some things were discounted, I think I ended up spending about $18. So I came in under 20. The tablecloth I'll be using today is one that I've used before. I actually made it from decorator fabric. Sometimes I just can't find a tablecloth that I like, the color isn't right, or the pattern that I'm looking for, so I end up just buying a few yards of decorator fabric and hemming it and using that, which it works great. And this one I found, I really love the texture of it. It's just very different. So I just made that into a tablecloth, and I'll be using that today. Everything else are things that I have on hand. I dug some greenery out of the Christmas box just to add a little bit of green for some color, and we'll just be layering the table, and let's get started creating. So sit back and enjoy. Thank you all for joining me today as I decorated the table for Thanksgiving. It was fun and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving with your family, and I will see you in the next video. We will be doing a little Christmas decorating. So have a great Thanksgiving and take care.